Hey you guys, I hope you're all having an amazing Saturday. I want to show you how to make a seasonal Sniffles roller today using essential oils. Now you can use this for congestion, for sniffles, for colds, allergies, pretty much anything. And you can roll it on your face, behind your ears, down your neck, under your nose. Like, this is just going to help you breathe and open your sinuses up. And let me show you how to make it. So this is a 10 milliliter roller bottle. I have to get some more labels because I'm out of labels. So we're going to start here. We're going to do 15 drops of peppermint. Okay, now we are going to do 15 drops of lemon. Okay, we have one more, and that's 15 drops of lavender. Okay, so we have our oils in here. We have 15 drops of lavender, 15 drops of lemon, and 15 drops of peppermint. So now we're going to add the rest of the way full with carrier oil, and I have jojoba oil. You can use fractionated coconut oil, or I forget the other one that I have, but these are mainly, this one's the main one that I use just because it's really good for your skin, and I feel comfortable putting this on my face and all kinds of things. So just pump this full with the carrier oil, and now just pop the top on, and we're going to shake it just a little bit just to blend it all. And you can use this like down your jawline, behind your ears, like I'm gonna put a little bit up under my nose. And this is for seasonal support when you have congestion, if you've been outside and you just need a little way to help you breathe. This roller is amazing. So this is the seasonal Sniffles roller, and I hope that you give it a try. Thank you for watching.